The most difficult deal for a man is really making that women fall for him. It's not so difficult, yet it's not too easy. You need to play with her mind constantly to make that happen. You need to break some rules and you'll be good to go. That's what I'm gonna tell you in this video. It's a very important topic to be discussed, yet many men do it wrong. It's all because they don't practice enough. Everything is a test, and every test teaches us something very important. So, here's what you've got to know about how to make women fall. So, let's get started. Number 1, make your first impression a real deal. Even before a word has been exchanged, even before noticing her watching you, even before anything else. A first impression is a real deal breaker. So, you need to realize how important a first impression is. Then comes, how to do it. It's all external. First of all, bring up the best in you, build your attitude, walk like a man, look like a playboy. Your dressing sense should remind all those women around you as a playboy. You have to smell good and have clean teeth and hairstyle. A first impression is always external, as I've said earlier. This also comes with practice, keep it in mind. Number 2, don't be around her all the time. Do you guys know what most unsuccessful single men have in common? It's being too available, and it's true. Most men think of it this way: if I stay around her all the time, I can spend more time with her, I can have more time to make her fall for me, and I can help her out with most things. This is utterly a very wrong mindset you've got. The thing is, you need to be available just on time. That means your availability should be important. It's that important. Don't be too available, don't do all her work. Let her crave for your presence. Let her want you more. Let her ask for you to come over and spend some time. Number 3, know where to draw the line. You like her, she likes you back, and it's all not done. What's the next thing to do? You ask her out on a date. But don't keep doing it again and again. Give her the chance to miss you, give her a chance to ask you to take her out. If she asks you out for dinner one night, play around a little bit. Tell her you are not sure, you might have to check. Of course, don't keep refusing her every time, else she might lose interest in you. Figure out the real way and you could be the real boss. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.